So we have 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. But let's recall that 9 is equal to 3 to the power of 2. And 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So when we replace this, we have 3 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 2, further raised to the power of 9 over 4. But when we have a to the power of m or over b to the power of m, this is the same as a over b all to the power of m. So this equation becomes 3 over 2 all to the power of 2 further raised to the power of 9 over 4. We'll be multiplying the powers here to have 3 over 2 all to the power of 2 times 9, we have 18 over 4. So this implies that 3 over 2 all to the power of 18 divided by 4, when we reduce this, we have 9 over 2. So from here, we have 3 over 2 all to the power of, we can split this to have 4 plus 1 over 2, which will give us 9 over 2. From law of indices, this can become 3 over 2 all to the power of 4 times 3 over 2 all to the power of 1 over 2. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, and 2 to the power of 4 is 16, times, when we have a to the power of 1 over 2, this is equal to the square root of a. So this becomes the square root of 3 over 2. So we have 81 over 16 times root 3 over root 2. So rationalizing, we have times root 2 over root 2. So this will give us 81 over 16 times, we have root 3 times 2 over root 2 times 2. So we have 81 over 16 times root 6 over 2, which implies we have 81 root 6 all over, we have 16 times 2, which is 32. So our answer is 81 root 6 over 32. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.